Hey everybody, this is Tammy, the Fibonacci Princess from the Fibonacci Room here at Simpler Trading. I just thought I would give you a quick update on Tesla. I normally do not cover Tesla because that is one of the ones that Carolyn the Queen does. But since she is on vacation a few days this week, I thought I would go ahead and let you know some resistance, some two-step resistance that I see, because that is one of the Fibonacci trading setups that we look for is a two-step. So the two-step pattern is coming from that low from the 5th of March to this high to this more recent low. It's also an extension off of this high to this low that comes in at 752.35. And then we do have a 618 retracement from this overall high to low right here that completes the two-step pattern. So that's coming in 752 to 0.35 and 769 to 0.37. And with Tesla, we are above the 200, but we are below the 50. The 5 and the 13 just crossed over to a buy. So that is good that we now have 3 of the moving averages on our side as far as a bullish setup is concerned. However, I do want you to watch out for this resistance on the way up, and it happens to correlate with that 50-day moving average. So I want you to please be a cautious bull when it comes to Tesla. All right, everybody, that's what I've got for you for Tesla for now. I actually have got, let's see, I do have some support here on the 30-minute chart, so I can go ahead and share that with you also. I am sharing Tesla live in the room right now also because the Queen is out. But this is what I'm looking at on the 30-minute chart. The setup zone is 682.14 to 685.41 on that 30-minute chart. And if that low from today is any good, your target is going to be 714.54, which also correlates with the second target of that high to low swing, which is at 712.81. All right, everybody, I hope you have an awesome rest of the day. And if you are not in the room with us right now, please come and join us. And I will talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.
Without Simpler Trading, I could not have financial independence.
This is one of the best investments I ever made in my life.
It's helping me find consistency.
It's one of the things that won me